Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a very interesting video which you might like. This is the comparison and a mini review kind of sorts. Like, you have seen this thing already on my channel, this Earth Rhythm Get Set Glow, but this has been a recent launch and I'm gonna give you my review, what I think about this product. Okay, so let's start with the pricing. Both are priced at $5.99 each. The packaging is kind of similar, however I prefer this squeezy tube because this I have to pump a lot because I've been using this quite a lot and there is kind of this much left, but I have to still pump a lot to get that out. So I prefer the packaging of this, and this dhakkan also keeps coming out very easily of Earth Rhythm one. So yeah, I prefer squeezy tubes. And second thing, you get 40 ml of product for $5.99, but you get 30 ml only. So there's the difference. Here I have got it in the gold variant, okay, this strobe cream, whereas this I wanted to experiment. I got it in the lilac luster variant. So this one basically, let me just show you. Okay, this one claims, the Earth Rhythm one claims to be a moisturizer, SPF plus a strobe cream, okay, and this is the kind of finish that you're gonna get, which is amazing, right? Like, this glow is very good. And the hand swatch of this, the consistency of the Earth Rhythm one is quite thick, this one is quite thin, and you can see the shift because I bought it in the variant lilac luster, but it looks very good. In person I'm really liking this shift, okay? So yeah, these are the differences. Now let me come on the comparison on what basis you can maybe choose. Is this, like, Earth Rhythm one was my favorite till now, okay? Yes, till now. I've given a big giveaway. It was really nice, but what I saw with this comparison video is that I applied the Earth Rhythm one on my left side and the Plum on right side. So what happened was, what I saw was that this part was looking much more smoother than the Earth Rhythm one. It feels more textury. Second thing, I have applied both the products on my bare skin, no moisturizer, no primer, nothing, to see how both of them look, okay? So this one definitely gives a very smooth finish, and it claims only to be it is only a strobe cream. It's not claiming to be a moisturizer or a primer or anything, but that one claims to be a moisturizer, primer and SPF. So yeah, that's why I'm mentioning this point, because even though it's claiming to be doing that job, I think this one is doing a much better job at that. That's the major difference. Both sit well on my face, and even when I applied my most matte foundation, that is the L'Oreal one, okay, it gives you a completely matte finish. This product, you know, it was shining through it, which is something really amazing. The Earth Rhythm one, if you have to compare the glow between the two products, which one gives more glow and which one gives like a very nice glow from the product, I think it would be the Plum one, okay? So yeah, that's why I really like it. I'm really liking it. And one more thing that I want to mention is that has a little bit of fragrance, which I have mentioned in my review video as well, that I'm not really fond of that fragrance. This one has no fragrance whatsoever. Like, I think it has a very little fragrance, but it wears out so much so that I even forgot about it. So yeah, that's about it. It wore on powder also very well. Like, I applied my powder and it wore on my powder also very well, you can see. So yeah, it shifts a little bit, it moved my foundation a little bit, but then I think I was in a hurry, so maybe because of that it can happen. But if you're very careful, I think it'll go very well after, you know, after you've powdered your face and you really want a very subtle glow. I think you can go ahead with this one. This one is also very good, you know, if you want to go ahead and try it later, like after powder. This one also performs really well. Just one thing, that like, it kind of settles into your skin, okay? Like, can you see? Yeah, I can lift this product, so you have to be kind of careful with this one. It's nothing like you can't make it work, but you have to just be a little careful. Otherwise, I really love this product as well, but I think my inclination is towards this side, okay? I think I might retire this one. No, I'll use it up. So yeah, I'm definitely going to give you my verdict is definitely the Plum one is way better. Okay, it's very thin in consistency, perfect for oily skin type and all the other skin type as well. If you have done your prep very well, I think any skin type can use it. So go ahead and get this one. It's really good. It comes in 3 variants, so does this, but I think this, so this one comes in bronze, gold and one more, I don't remember, and this one comes in a really different shades. Okay, so this one is gold, lilac and pink, I guess, or silver, I don't know. But since I already had a gold, I did not want to get another gold. I think I really like this one, very fun to play with. Okay, so yeah, you can get this one. It's really amazing. And that's all for this video, guys. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Bye.